morning. This is Sunday, and welcome to the channel.
As you can see, the skies of Santiago, Dominican Republic. You have clouds in the sky. And as I turn the camera slowly to my left, you'll see the clouds begin to thicken.
This was yesterday, early Saturday morning. No rain, no wind, very quiet.
And you can see these dark clouds. And as we look closer towards the far south, that's where the ocean is. So the clouds are slowly beginning to thicken.
And through these time-lapse videos, we will show you the progression of Tropical Storm Laura, now named. Tropical Storm Laura reached the Dominican Republic on Saturday night after hitting Puerto Rico, where it left a large part of the population without electricity, in addition to the floods caused by heavy rains that reached their peak around midnight to 6 a.m. here in Santiago. The rain is taking a pause now at 8 a.m. We're left with winds.
So whatever's going to happen is going to happen soon. Maybe some areas already feeling the effects of it, but it's definitely something that's definitely coming. Because the sky you see far as I can see over the other side of those mountains is the Caribbean Ocean. To my north is the Atlantic Ocean. And again, we'll keep you posted on what's to come. Hello everyone, this is Caribbean E. Welcome to the channel. It's Tropical 13. Tropical storm. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. The rain has just begun to fall. As you can see, you can look out in your far horizon and you can't see nothing but clouds because it's all rain, actually hiding the mountains.
The center of the storm touched the Dominican Republic through the province of San Pedro de Marcos in the northeast of the country. Always keep track of where the storms are most likely to affect what cities when deciding where to live permanently. And since Saturday afternoon, the effects of the tropical storm were felt with moderate and heavy rains.
This is just the beginning of the storm, and the forecasters tell us that it's probably going to last till Sunday. We don't know. We just got to wait and see. But we're staying inside today. Buckling down the hatches and staying safe. We're just an hour and a half from Puerto, which is the beach area. And I heard that supposed to be getting hit pretty hard with some good torrential rains and some flooding. Time will tell. Just wanted you to see what we see. Peace. This is actually Saturday, a little after 10 in the morning, August 22nd. As you can see, the Haitians are steadily working in the rain, putting up this building structure. They installed a long pipe so they can throw out the rubbish. It'll come all the way to the ground into a container to be thrown away. We'll keep you posted here during the Storm 13. In the Dominican Republic. Peace.
So here we are. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. I know it actually looks like it's about 5 or 6 o'clock at night, but it just began raining. This is Tropical Depression 13 that they said was headed here to the DR. And just trying to see if you guys can see how much rain is coming down. It's kind of light now. I wouldn't consider this very heavy, but we will see during the day how much it progresses. We're going to keep you guys up to date on the progression of this storm. I hear the construction guys running and packing up because they were trying to work, but we will let you know as we find out, and we will keep you updated every few hours on how bad it gets out here in Santiago, Dominican Republic. Now we will be showing some video of 4 a.m. when we got the stronger downfall and winds finally hit us here in Santiago. The rain lasted until around 7 a.m. Then we were left with some gusting winds, and then it picked up later. DR was issued an alert and warning against flooding of rivers and streams, as well as gradual floods and landslides in our 31 provinces. They even halted ships from coming and going on our ports. Some of the provinces that were in the red alert are La Grecia, Samana, Santo Domingo, Puerto, Montecristi, and the National District. The center of the storm is expected to leave the Dominican Republic today on Sunday. However, the rains will continue to affect the national territory.
Hello everyone, Caribbean E giving you an update on the 13th tropical storm. It's 1 o'clock, the rain has picked up, and as you can actually hear the rain hitting the overhead covering of our apartment building. I've given you some footage of up on the roof. The rain now is pretty much steady. That's basically all we get here. It's just a downpour. So we will see what happens. It is now 4 o'clock in the morning. This is the effects of Tropical Storm 13. You don't want to be out here on the water, get our winds closer to the water. Storm is in full effect. It's heading towards the Florida coast. It's going to pick up speed and pick up strength as it makes its way into the Florida Panhandle. Stay tuned for some more footage of the storm. Peace.
So here in the DR, shelters have been put in place for areas that may have landslides, so that over 2,000 accommodations have been set up with a capacity to serve over 577,000 people. And also due to the COVID pandemic, there is an additional 146 shelters to house another 294,000 people plus to keep physical distancing and help us abide by the curfew, which today is at 5 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Tropical Storm 13. This is day 2 of the rain. Hitting the garage opening. It's been raining pretty steady all night long with strong winds. And it's still raining today. And we'll have some flooding in some areas. We're going to see what we see. Day 2.
Rain has begun again, just slightly, just a drizzle. Winds have not subsided, and it's 9 a.m. on Sunday. We're expecting rain like this off and on all day, and wind until it passes us and heads towards the U.S. At 8 a.m., This Sunday, the center of the tropical storm Laura was located about 40 miles north of Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Now, again, those winds were clocked at 45 miles an hour. And as always, we keep you updated with the fastest, most accurate information in the DR. So hit subscribe. Make sure to hit notifications so you can get notified of videos like this. Make sure to hit like, and we will see you on the next video. And don't forget, the next live is August 29th at 9 p.m. our time, Eastern Standard Time. See you there. Don't miss out. We'll be taking questions live, and we have some great new information.